Good morning, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so cold. Can you tell? I'm so cold. Okay, today it is move-in day. I'm excited. This happened very, very fast. A lot of you guys are probably like, wait, you're moving? Yes, I am. I am staying in Charlotte, so I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm literally gonna be 30 minutes away from home. It's not a big deal at all, but I just wanted to be closer to work because I live like an hour and a half away from work, and it's just, it's awful. I needed to move closer to where I work, so now I literally live like a mile away, and it's so nice. So I'm moving with my friend Emily. I am moving all my stuff in over today. This weekend we're supposed to get snow. I don't know. Like in North Carolina, we always say that we're gonna get snow and then it never snows. So it's supposed to get snow. It's supposed to be miserable weather this weekend. So I'm glad that I'm moving kind of all my stuff in before, because it's not like a covered parking lot. So I would not be wanting to move in my stuff with like freezing rain. That just would not be any fun at all for anyone involved. Cannot wait to have this be a move-in vlog. It's gonna be a move-in day in my life, I guess. So I will be vlogging today, and I'm just really excited. So I'm about to drive over. I have my stuff. I have my coffee, which is very important. My backpack, my work backpack. I have my coffee machine down here. I have some stuff in my trunk, and then my mom and my dad's car is filled up too. And I'm not bringing any decorations. I'm just gonna bring furniture and the basics and stuff like that. But this is my first time having to buy furniture because I always would live in like furnished apartments in college. I never had like to furnish my own place. So it's my first time actually furnishing it on my own. So I was really excited to kind of pick out all the furniture and stuff. But let me tell you, furniture is expensive, and that is not fun paying for that. I'm about to start driving. My car is frozen though, so I figured talk to you while it warms up, drink some coffee. I'm gonna listen to Taylor's Juicy podcast, TK's Juicy podcast. My friend Taylor King, I feel like you guys know her. She has a podcast and it's so entertaining, and she always does polls on her Instagram stories. So I highly recommend following her because she's just like so funny, and her polls are so great. Like it's like juicy stuff. Like I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to know what people are saying. So I would follow her. But anyways, I was on her podcast when I was in LA, so it just went live today, so I'm gonna listen to it on my drive there. Kind of weird listening to myself on my way, like on a commute, but whatever. Is this, oh yeah, okay, cool, it's like unfrozen. All right, I'm gonna start driving. Guys, I'm here. This is it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour. Walk in, you have this little hallway. I think my room is gonna be there. This is it. Like, look at these windows, you guys. I am so happy with how high these ceilings are. Tall windows. Oh my gosh, we already have Wi-Fi coming. The guy's like getting his box right now. We have a balcony, which is really cool. Oh, we kind of see the city back there. You guys can see the top of the building. Let me see. This is gonna be my room. So this is my room. It's pretty big, honestly. I'm really happy about it, and it has like nice big windows. My bathroom. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so happy. Good. I have a shower. I really wanted that instead of a tub. I have a huge closet. Okay. Wow. Can't believe it's mine. Kitchen. It's like a nice size kitchen. Good cabinets. Lots of like extra storage space for a pantry. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite part though. I love the living room. It's so gorgeous. And then that's gonna be Emily's room. I'm assembling my bed right now. My mom and dad are helping me. Everything that I got is from Wayfair, but I'm gonna do like an apartment tour once it's actually done, and then I'll let you guys know where everything is. But yeah, this is my room, doing some work while also assembling furniture. got the bed made. This really didn't take long, and now time to undo the mattress. Here is my mattress, and I got a Lol mattress, and thank you Lol for sending this to me because I really desperately needed a mattress. It literally came at the most perfect time, me moving obviously, and I'm so excited to try it because I have heard such amazing things about it. So I am so excited. So thank you so much. It was literally sent to me just like this at my doorstep. It was the most easy and convenient delivery, and it came in like 2 days. I was so surprised at how fast that this came. So I got a queen, and it fits like this. So if you guys can see comparison to like the door, how tall it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna open the box and undo it, and I'm so excited because I've seen so many videos of people undoing the box, and I'm finally doing one, so I'm excited. This is comfy. The mattress is on my bed. That was literally the easiest thing to put on my bed, and it's already like, you have to let it sit for like 2 hours because it has a couple ridges, as you guys can see. But honestly, for being in a box, I'm very impressed with, we literally just put this 2 minutes ago, and it is so soft. Wow, this is nice. This is a really great mattress. I'll let you guys know how it is after a few nights of sleep though, because I literally just laid down for 5 seconds. So after a few nights of sleep, I'm actually gonna review it. Hey guys, it is me from the future. It is currently Monday, and I have slept in this bed for a whole weekend already, so I felt like it was a good time to kind of update you guys, because I told you guys that I would let you know how comfortable the bed actually was. It is so comfortable, you guys. It's not like that soft where your back hurts because you have zero support, but it literally feels like you're on a cloud, and it is so soft. And also there is a 100-night guarantee, like a money back guarantee. So if after 100 days, which is a very long time, you realize that you don't like the mattress, you can actually send it back for free and they will give you your money back. Also, they gave me a discount code to give you guys if you guys want to purchase one of these. I definitely recommend it if you're moving, if you're going to college, if you just want a new, better mattress. That is definitely something that you need to invest in. You're literally sleeping in it every single day of your life, so you should invest in a good mattress, and this one is a good one, and it's actually cheaper than most. So if you guys want to, you guys can definitely use that. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on how it was, because I know the first day of moving in, like, it might feel comfortable for the first like minute laying on it, but how is it after a few nights of sleep? And I have gotten really great sleep. It's just been like really comfortable and felt like a cloud. Made me sleep peacefully in my new place. But yeah, now back to the actual move-in portion of this vlog. Thanks. We just did my bed, I'm gonna get some art above here. I don't know like the theme of my room yet, so I have to decide that. I'm really gonna take my time with decorations because I want it to be really cute. This is just the same bedding that I used in college, and then I got this blanket from Urban Outfitters, and it is so soft, and I think I got it on sale because I think I got this and the rug on sale from Urban. This rug is also from Urban, like I said, and it's really cute. I really like it. Like, I think it just like makes the room look good. And then my desk, which we messed up, but I honestly don't care because it took us like 2 hours to do this stupid desk, and it like doesn't see like pushes in too far, so I'm just gonna use it for decor because I don't care, and I am so annoyed building furniture. So yeah, just like building this was the most annoying thing in the whole world. We're leaving it like this because, again, like I said, don't care. This tapestry, I'm trying to figure out if I want it to go above my desk or if I want to have paintings above my desk and then put this kind of like in a corner, like kind of like a curtain, like a drape or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm so excited to show you guys how I decorate my room. But yeah, this is the progress so far. All right, so my mom and my sister just left, so it's just me. I can't believe this is my apartment. I'm so excited. I am about to organize my closet right now, so let me show you guys my closet. Also, the lighting in this bathroom is actually the worst lighting I've ever seen. Like, look at this, it's horrible. So I am going to replace these light bulbs for white lights because this is just so like, oh my gosh, I look scary. So my closet's like a pretty good size for an apartment. I also have an absurd amount of clothes, but I have to organize it because I literally just put everything, just like hung it up. But if you guys know me, I like having it to like by section and kind of by color. So I'll do like dresses, then jackets, then tank tops and sweaters. You know, like I like having it like that, but right now it's just very random, like leather jacket, denim jacket, random jackets. Like I need to find a way to organize this. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. It doesn't have my shoes in it, but everything else is in there. So now I'm gonna unload my shoes, but here's my closet. So basically dresses are over here. All my jackets and jeans and tank tops are at the bottom. I guess I could like spread it out more. I hate these things because I don't know how to like appropriately distribute my clothes, which is really annoying. But yeah, so I have like sweatshirts and stuff are in the back corner, denim jackets, leather jackets, just like random jackets like this, furry jackets, all of my jeans. I literally have so many jeans, I have a problem. And then my tank tops. And then over here is all of my work clothes. So I have like blazers and work pants and work skirts. And then I just have like some big jackets just because they're like easy to reach. And then over here are just my shirts and my sweaters. So these are just all tops. And it goes from white into blues and greens and reds and then blacks. So yeah, there's my closet. Now I have to unload or unpack my shoes. So these are all my shoes. Sneakers over there. Do I have enough black boots? Seriously, can someone tell me? I'm so like, this is embarrassing, but each one of them is different and I wear them all, and yeah, like they all hold a special place in my heart. And uglier shoes down there. Yeah, so finally put my shoes away. I wanted this to be the first thing people saw when they walk in. Just only black shoes, that's all I own. And then over here, it's like mainly black as well. Like, look at my dresses, black. Shirts, black. Jackets, black. Like, do I own a lot of color? No. So I put some makeup on so I don't feel like so disgusting, because I literally felt so gross without my makeup on. Just because I've been sick and like my skin looked really disgusting in that lighting. Honestly, now it looks fine, but that lighting is horrible in the bathroom. Anyways, I am about to go and I need to get my eyebrows done because they're looking pretty rough, and then I'm going to pick up my friend from the airport, and I need to go to Target to get a few things. But yeah, I'm gonna end the moving vlog here because I want to show you guys more like piece by piece. So once I start like shopping for home stuff and getting more things, I'm going to do more vlogs about that. So I hope that you guys like this video, and also thank you Lowell for sending me that mattress because it is so comfortable and soft, and the fact that like it came in a box straight to my doorstep is amazing. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more moving vlogs, let me know. If you guys want to see more like Charlotte related videos, let me know. If you guys are from Charlotte, let me know. Just yeah, I want to know more about you guys. So I am headed off to do errands and stuff like that, but I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. I'm moving. I'm so excited. Or I'm moved. I'm all moved in. Okay. Cannot close my door. That's totally fine. I think do I have to like tug it to close it? Something like that. Oh,